Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all tuning in, I got me a good fire and a good cup of coffee, and all is good right now. But I just want to thank y'all for tuning in today. In today's video, I'm going to be conditioning that leather sheath I bought at Sam's Pawn Shop and cleaning up that 152 OT. That leather sheath, it turned out really good, beautiful. It's and I'm going to go ahead and tell you, my friend was very surprised and he loved it. I just didn't want to add all the cleaning up and conditioning that sheath in with the video I put out yesterday because it would have been a long video. And again, guys, thank y'all for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Okay, guys, I'm fitting to put mineral oil on the sheath here, give to my friend this afternoon. It's going to really make it condition really well. I'm gonna let that soak in, then I'm gonna put that the leather wax on there. Now I'm fitting to go in and clean this blade up, get it shined up a little bit, and add a lanyard onto it. All right. Still got some patina on the blade. I'm not a big fan of getting all the patina off. I like seeing patina on the blade, especially if it's really old. It just gives it character, and I love character on an old knife. Alright, guys, here they are. That one turned out beautiful. Schrade 152 sharp finger. Great little knife to have. Skinning deer, skinning game. Great knife. Great knife. I just love the way the lanyard makes these knives look. I really do. Good looking knife now. The blade cleaned up good. I did lose some patina. Place to put your thumb and a finger guard here. Very nice. Great knife. And this, the sheath, turned out really, really good. It was in great shape, but now it's protected very well. And this here turned out good too. Remember that, how this thing looked? I'm gonna give this to my friend this afternoon. Now tell me that don't look good. Good American-made stuff here. Well, guys, thank you for tuning in today. I really appreciate all the support. This was fun. I'm so glad I found these two items today. Great finds at a pawn shop. Again, that's why you never know what you're going to find at a pawn shop. If I wouldn't have stopped at that pawn shop, ain't no telling how long it would have took me to find a sheath for this Mustang here. Beautiful. It turned out really good. The mineral oil riched it up, and the leather wax just sealed it up. It feels good too. Man, it's beautiful. I'm going to find me a sheath for that. But again, guys, thank y'all for tuning in. I certainly appreciate all the support. And I just want to say God bless y'all. And until we meet again, y'all be like a good knife. Stay sharp.